People who suffer from slip and fall injuries on wet floors often avoid serious injury or death, but that doesn't mean they don't wind up with medical bills, lost wages due to time off work, or short or long-term pain and suffering as a result of their injuries. So if you or a loved one fell on a wet floor in New Jersey, you may be entitled to compensation. A wet floor could cause a potentially dangerous condition just about anywhere. Places where people have slipped on a wet floor and injured themselves include shopping malls, corporate offices, restaurants, retail stores, religious places of worship, schools, gyms, grocery stores, and even a family member or friend's house. Any one of these property owners or someone they designate to maintain the property may be liable for a slip and fall accident. And they may be at fault for simply seeing or knowing of an existing or potential wet floor hazard and ignoring it. Premises liability law. In New Jersey, slip and fall injuries that occur on property other than your own will fall under premises liability law. This essentially analyzes the different levels of liabilities that a negligent party may hold for a visitor's injuries. One main factor when applying premises liability law for the purposes of this specific cause is the consideration of whether the fall on a wet floor was, quote, reasonably foreseeable. What makes an accident reasonably foreseeable is whether an average person would have or should have anticipated that an accident could occur based on the condition of the property. This would include if the responsible party made a reasonable effort to keep the property safe from wet and slippery floors or provide notice of the potential hazard. A classic example would be a supermarket that fails to put up a yellow slippery when wet sign indicating that the floor had recently been mopped and could be slippery and dangerous. At Rosenblum Law, our team's unparalleled expertise will give you the best possible chance at recovering physically, mentally, and financially from your injuries. So if you or a loved one have been injured in a slip and fall accident on a wet floor, please give us a call today and we will provide you with a free consultation.